Angel, how would you rate Harry's cooking 1 to 10?
8.5.
This morning we're gonna have 10 of you all go head to head in an ascent. So we've got 2 different tie-in points in this tree. The tie-in points are at different heights, but there's 2 bells at the same height. They're both at 35 feet. There's one right here and another one right about here. Everybody see that? Okay. So I just sent out the bracket for who's going to be climbing against who. We're going to go head to head. We're going to start with, I think, whatever the 10 and the 9 are, and work our way up. So we'll go all the way through. We'll do the next round, next round, next round. All right? Make sure to eat your breakfast real quick. Once you have your gear on, please just keep it on. Questions?
Safety first, kids.
3, 2, 1, go.
Get it! Sam, get it! Come on, Sam! Come on, Sam!
Come on, Sam! Nice.
Hurry, Sam!
Get it!
Oh!
Nice. Good work, good work, good work. Next up, Andrew Schneider and Fabian. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Get it. Get it.
Come on, Schneider! Come on, Schneider!
Good job. Keep going. Keep going.
Keep working! Yeah!
Nice. Next up, we got Angel and Jose. 3, 2, 1, go. You're good. You're good. Keep going. Keep going. Good job, Angel. Way to finish. Come on.
Yeah!
Good job, Angel. Nice. Good job. Next up, Nick Labosco, Andrew Hendricks. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Ah.
Move it fast.
Good job, Nick. Come on, Hendricks. Come on.
Work it.
Keep with it. Keep with it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good work. Next up, we got Emmett and we got Ben Henderson round 2. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. Come on, get it.
Oh! Keep working! Oh, heavy. Fire. Like a rocket.
Nice.
Good job, Eddie. Nice work, Ben.
Good work, good work. Next up, Bodie with round 2 Fabian. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, yeah. Get it! Go!
So this is kind of the semifinals. Yep. Jose and Emmett. 3, 2, 1, go.
Push. Push. Woo. Keep working. Come on, man. Oh.
Nice. Our second semifinal. Nick Labosco with Fabian. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, yeah, Nick. Come on, Fabian. Come on, Nick. Steady set, steady set.
There might be a comeback.
Boys.
Nice. Nice. Good work, good work, good work. All right, so we've got 2 more ascents. We're gonna have Nick and Emmett go for 3rd place because they're 3rd place and 4th place at the moment. Fabian and Jose do the last ascent of the morning for 2nd and 1st. Okay, this is for 3rd place. Nick Labosco and Emmett. 3, 2, 1, go.
Here we go, boys. so fast. Come on.
Here we go, here we go. Good job, Nick. Good work, good work. Jose and Fabian, it's for first place. 3, 2, 1, go. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Nice, good work. Nice, good job, guys. All right, thank you everybody for coming out. Again, thank you to Harry for breakfast. Appreciate it very, very much. Forever the chef. All right, so first place we got Jose. Give it up, give it up. Good work. He also had the fastest time at 10.15 seconds. Second place, Fabian. Give it up for Fabian. Good work. And third place for Emmett. Nice, good work, good work. Sweet. So yeah, so again, thank you everybody for being out here. Top 3 guys, come grab your stuff. We'll take a photo real quick and then we'll mosey on. Don't you go anywhere, Andy Schneider. We're taking a photo.